Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Now, just before the break, we have seen strength in motion as our candidates laid in their swimsuits with their body yada yada and a whole lot of confidence and energy. But their journey is far from over. From 30, we now narrow them down to 15, as only the most exceptional Filipinas will move forward. All right, let's begin, Mo Arena. We open the top 15 with two semi-finalists who truly embody the essence of Pina Beauty, body care made for every Filipina. You are a step closer to the crown, Miss Muntinlupa. You are still in the running, Miss Sultan Kudarat. Now, in no particular order, here's the rest of our top 15, beginning with Miss Baguio City. You're moving forward, Miss Tacloban City. You're a step closer to the crown, Miss La Union. Claim your spot, Miss Quezon Province. Make your way center stage, Miss Taguig. Your journey continues, Miss Camiguin. Also heading to the top 15 is Miss Tarlac. You are part of the top 15, Miss Manila. You're still in the game, Miss Iloilo City. Claim your rightful spot in the top 15, Miss Cebu Province. of them is for Miss Cebu City. I'm sweating for the girls. 2 more spots. This night could be yours, Miss Pampanga. This is it. Rounding up our top 15 for Miss Universe Philippines 2026 is Miss Negros Occidental. Well, there you have it, Mall of Asia Arena, our Miss Universe Philippines 2026 Top 15. Well done, ladies. When we return, Filipino beauty takes on a deeper meaning. Stay with us on the Carrie Nation night of Miss Universe Philippines 2026.